This is a 3018 CNC router, engraving router. I bought it from Banggood. I'm not sure who is the supplier to Banggood, but I'm having issue with the spindle motor. It is running intermittently, giving like pulses. I will demonstrate this. Here we have UCS. I have a file open and the machine is connected. Okay, I will run the file, but I will keep the camera on the CNC. You see it make pulses. I checked sainsmart site. I'll put a link for that. They are saying that the issue is from the power supply. It cannot provide the required current. This is the power supply that came from Banggood. So it looks like the issue is known. So I'm not sure why they will send a power supply that is known to cause this issue. Anyway, I will submit a complaint to sainsmart, and I will put a link. I will submit a complaint to Banggood, and I will put a link to sainsmart site where they say that the power supply is the issue. I'll just show a glance here of that site and where it okay, here it says that the spindle just pulse a lot of the time, on off, and this issue is caused by a faulty power supply. The power supply need to be replaced. The current used by the spindle starting is high, and it triggers the overload protection of the power supply. We have already changed the power supply we supply, but why Banggood suppliers are not doing the same as sainsmart? I'm not sure.